Welcome to Software Pundit, the leading destination for software reviews. HubSpot is a fully featured CRM platform with over 114,000 customers. But is it right for you? We're going to cover the most important things you should consider before making your purchase, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a HubSpot customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below. And if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. So let's get started. HubSpot received an Analyst rating of 91 and is currently ranked first in our CRM category. HubSpot is one of the more user-friendly advanced CRM solutions. It includes one of the more robust in-platform email marketing tools among its competitors and offers a robust free plan. However, CRM Suite pricing is one of the most expensive. It is not HIPAA compliant and is not recommended if you do not need an all-in-one solution. Overall, HubSpot is an intuitive, advanced CRM solution that is best suited for larger companies with complex workflows. We also recommend it to those who would prefer to use an all-in-one platform and prioritize having in-platform digital marketing tools in their CRM. If you want an advanced, affordable tool and currently use other Zoho products, then we recommend Zoho CRM. If you want a highly customizable, advanced platform that can also support enterprises, then we recommend Salesforce. If you want a basic CRM that integrates tightly with Google Workplace, then we recommend Copper. If you need a basic, user-friendly CRM and primarily need a tool for deal management, then we recommend Pipedrive. HubSpot's pricing ranges from $50 to $4,000 per month. You can also save up to 10% if you pay for the annual subscription of the starter or professional plan upfront. HubSpot also offers a free trial of its individual products and a free CRM plan. Let's discuss the features offered by HubSpot. We'll explore HubSpot's usability, customer support, and describe the major benefits and drawbacks of the software. A lead is an individual or organization that has an interest in your services or products. Lead capture references the process of acquiring someone's information with the goal of converting them into a paying customer. Overall, the more lead capture channels you have, the better you are able to reach a wider audience of potential customers. HubSpot offers a wide range of lead capture methods among its competitors, including forums, social media, live chat, and email. Forums are one of the easiest lead capture methods because they let the leads provide their information themselves. HubSpot offers an in-platform form feature that lets you create a wide variety of forms, including an embedded standalone page and pop-up form box. Overall, this feature is easy to use. HubSpot lets you customize your forms with templates and various fields, including name, phone number, email, and social media profile. HubSpot also lets you automatically capture someone as a lead if they submit their email address. HubSpot offers an integration that lets you create ads on Facebook and LinkedIn and attach forms that can capture someone's information. This integration is easier to use in HubSpot because you do not need to use Zapier or another third-party integration app. After you've created your ad and form, you can set up basic automation that creates a contact list of those who submit your form. You can also send yourself email notifications when someone becomes a lead from your ads or forms. HubSpot offers a native live chat feature that lets you add a live chat widget to your website. This feature is very useful because being able to speak to chat visitors in real time gives you a better chance of gaining a lead's trust and therefore their contact information. Overall, this feature in HubSpot is effective. When building your live chat widget, you can choose when to capture a visitor's email. This can be done immediately after a visitor sends the first message or if a team member doesn't respond after 1 minute. Within HubSpot, you can edit someone's contact details and create deals and tickets while chatting with them. This helps make sure that you capture all of the relevant information related to a contact. HubSpot offers a Chrome extension that automatically captures information from anyone you've been emailing. The information the extension can capture ranges from emails, names, and phone numbers to company names, company locations, and industries. You can choose to add someone as a contact or lead to HubSpot and further edit their details all within Gmail. You can also add related deals and tasks to a lead within Gmail. Capturing a lead's contact information is crucial in converting them into a paying customer. However, the type of information you can record and how it's stored and managed will determine the value you gain from your CRM. This is known as contact management. HubSpot lets you create a profile for every lead you've captured. The more information you have on a contact and the more unique a profile, the better chance you have of converting that contact into a lead. Overall, HubSpot's contact profile feature is above average. You can create more robust profiles and perform more actions in HubSpot than other CRMs like Copper and Pipedrive. HubSpot lets you include standard contact information like emails, phone numbers, associated deals, and files. You can also create tasks, log calls, create meetings, and send emails to a contact from within their own record. HubSpot's contact profile feature also captures someone's website activity and includes information on how a contact was obtained. You can use this information to better understand which marketing methods are best for recruiting new contacts. It's key that your contacts are stored in an organized manner and are easy to access. Overall, contact storage in HubSpot is robust but not intimidating to use. HubSpot lets you segment and create different views of your contacts through a wide variety of filters. This includes filters related to contact activity, deals, sales information, email information, and website behavior. HubSpot offers an activity feed for each of your contacts. Tracking a contact's activity lets you know where they are in the sales process. This lets you know what steps are best to take next in making sure someone is progressing through your sales funnel. Contact activity tracking also reduces the chance of losing a lead. HubSpot's contact activity feed feature is robust in terms of the types of activity you can view. You can view contact activity related to communication channels, your team, and actions like form submissions and page views. You can also choose which types of contact activity you want to view. A disadvantage through HubSpot's contact activity feature is that you cannot organize contact activity by date or view how long they've been inactive. One of the key elements in converting your contacts into a paying customer is maintaining consistent communication. With HubSpot, you can communicate with leads through the following channels: email, social media, and phone. HubSpot lets you send emails and email campaigns to your contacts. Overall, this feature is intuitive to use and slightly more advanced than email tools in other platforms like Copper and Pipedrive. HubSpot offers an email template library and lets you add a variety of elements to your emails, including images, buttons, and videos. After you've finished editing your emails, you can choose to send them to a customized list of contacts. You can also choose whether to send your emails immediately or on a later date at a specific time. An advantage of HubSpot's email feature is that you can include merge fields or personalization tokens. These can pull data from within your CRM, including contact and deal information. HubSpot also offers email analytics and email health data. For email analytics, HubSpot shows your recipient engagement open, click, and reply rate. With this information, you can determine where you need improvement when it comes to your email marketing strategies. HubSpot lets you connect your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts. This feature is useful because you can directly interact with your social audiences from within HubSpot. This includes creating posts, liking, and commenting. Unfortunately, you cannot send direct messages through HubSpot. HubSpot lets you make calls from within your CRM, either through your phone number or through an integration with Twilio. This feature saves you time because you do not have to move back and forth between applications for phone calls. HubSpot offers an application that lets you take notes during your call. You can also log your calls after they've ended and mark whether they were busy, if you left a voicemail, if there was no answer, or if you called the wrong number. The next stage for a lead is becoming a qualified sales lead. Once this happens, you'll need an organized system to manage your deals. Effective deal management will provide you with the most up-to-date information and let sales representatives focus their attention on building strong relationships with potential customers. Pipelines let you visually track the progress of prospective customers through each deal stage. Compared to other pipeline tools, HubSpot is more scalable and works well for businesses with over 50 simultaneous deals. In HubSpot, you can create multiple pipelines and customize them in a manner that best aligns with your business's sales funnels. This includes reordering, renaming, and creating unique stages. HubSpot also lets you insert a win probability percentage for each stage. You can further organize your deals with over 35 filters, including filters related to deal activity, information, and revenue. Deals in HubSpot can also be dragged and dropped easily between stages, which makes it easier to update deal statuses. Tasks in a CRM are actions that need to be taken in order to bring a deal to completion. Tasks can be assigned to you or others in your organization. Overall, we recommend HubSpot for task management because it includes key features that make it easier to organize your tasks. You can customize a task's title, associate deals, choose its priority level, and include notes. You can also create customized views of your tasks and use filters based on task type, priority level, creation date, and creation source to further organize your tasks. HubSpot also lets you set reminders for tasks based on a minute to weekly basis or on a custom date and time. Reminders are key because they reduce the chance of losing a potential deal. Lead scoring is when you assign a numerical value to a lead. This number reflects how likely a lead would become a paying customer. Lead scoring also helps your sales representatives spend their time on the most lucrative deals. While HubSpot's lead scoring feature is effective, it's less advanced because it does not offer as many scoring criteria as other platforms like Zoho CRM. HubSpot lets you choose certain criteria that either increase or decrease points from a lead score. Your score criteria can be based on contacts, deals, form submissions, email behavior, and ad interactions. Workflow automation is when common tasks are automated through the use of tools, apps, and technology. Workflow automation saves time and reduces the chance for human error. HubSpot offers triggered events and sequences. HubSpot lets you set up rules where events trigger a certain action. For example, you can use automations to send a welcome email to anyone that was recently converted. Triggered events in HubSpot are best to use if you expect a large number of contacts to move through the flow, instant follow-ups are required, and your contacts are not assigned to a specific salesperson. Overall, this feature is effective for simple and complex automations and would not be intimidating to use for first-time CRM users. You can use HubSpot to create workflow automations that are contact, company, deal, and ticket-based. HubSpot lets you create simple and complex automations. For example, for one trigger, you can set multiple actions. This includes actions related to internal and external communications, record and task creation, record reassignment, and list, ads, and property management. Sequences are best for salespeople who want to create follow-up email automations where the content is highly targeted towards the potential lead. You can also use sequences to create tasks that remind you to follow up with clients. The goal of email sequences is that they result in replies or booked meetings. A key difference between sequences and workflows is that sequences only let you manually enroll leads. Therefore, sequences are best for maintaining one-on-one relationships between potential leads and sales representatives. CRM reporting offers key data that helps individuals and businesses make tactical changes and strategic decisions where needed. This includes important insight reports, such as deals won and lost, pipeline progression, your sales forecasting, and sales funnel. HubSpot's reporting feature is overall intuitive to use. You can create reports containing deal, contact, and sales activities information. You can also choose a wide range of data visualization styles, including bar, line, donut, KPI, area, and pivot table. HubSpot offers integrations that expand the functionality of your CRM. They also eliminate the need to toggle back and forth between systems. Here are some of HubSpot's key integrations. HubSpot offers a mobile app for both Apple and Android. A mobile CRM gives you the best chance in ensuring that your customers are getting the best service possible at all times. HubSpot's mobile CRM is well-rounded. You can view your upcoming tasks and meetings, contacts, deals, and activity related to emails, forms, and leads. You can also create tasks and tickets and manage conversations from within the app. Having proper security and data protection is critical for your CRM. Data breaches can harshly affect your company's reputation and be costly to remedy. HubSpot offers key security features and compliances to make sure your data is secured and protected, such as SSL certificate, role-based views, and secure storage. Overall, we found HubSpot's customer support to be slightly above average. It offers one of the widest ranges of customer support channels, including live chat, email, support tickets, and phone, and customer service is available 24/7. HubSpot's live chat customer support is also quick and responsive. HubSpot articles overall have good readability. They bold important terms and include images with indicators like boxes and arrows that highlight the feature being referenced. However, we did notice that some articles contain large paragraphs with low margin space between each line. This makes the article more difficult to read and takes more time to interpret. In terms of platform advancedness, HubSpot is the most similar to Zoho CRM. However, HubSpot is more user-friendly and feature-rich than Zoho CRM. It is also more advanced than platforms like Copper and Pipedrive and can even be suitable for enterprises like Salesforce. Overall, HubSpot is an intuitive, advanced CRM solution that is best suited for larger companies with complex workflows. We also recommend it to those who would prefer to use an all-in-one platform and prioritize having in-platform digital marketing tools in their CRM. If you want an advanced, affordable tool and currently use other Zoho products, then we recommend Zoho CRM. If you want a highly customizable, advanced platform that can also support enterprises, then we recommend Salesforce. If you want a basic CRM that integrates tightly with Google Workspace, then we recommend Copper. If you need a basic, user-friendly CRM and primarily need a tool for deal management, then we recommend Pipedrive. If you're interested, you can try HubSpot today by clicking the link in the description box. Do you agree with our recommendation for HubSpot? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.